Boston, United 120, flight level 310.
United 121.
Boston, United 120.
United 120, go ahead.
Yes, so we've had a maintenance issue arise on the airplane. It's going to require us to return to Newark, so we'll need to change our destination to Newark International Airport, please.
United 120, cleared to Newark via right turn, direct Nelly, join the Flossie 4 arrival.
Right turn, direct Nelly, join the Flossie 4 arrival, United 120, thank you.
And United 120 is the state to issue an emergency for normal.
Non-emergency now, negative on the emergency, United 120. Central United 120.
United 120, go ahead.
United 120, at this time we are in fact declaring the emergency. We have 238 souls on board, that is 238, and I can give you fuel in pounds at the moment, or I will have to calculate time.
Okay, United 120, what state the nature of the emergency?
Nature of the emergency is an engine overheat message. It's on the left engine of the aircraft. The engines are currently operating normally, however, it will require a reduced flap landing in Newark on 22 right.
So you have an overheat warning on the engine, and you'll have to reduce flaps. You said 238 passengers?
Yes, that is correct. 238 souls on board. Fuel remaining currently is 7 plus 24. We will have to dump fuel, so we'll need a place to dump fuel, and that will be about just shy of 17,000 pounds dumping.
And would you like to begin the fuel dumping process at this time?
As soon as possible, United 120.
Yeah, 120, do you need the spelling for Nelly?
That would help, please.
Direct to November, Echo, Lima, India, Echo, and then Flossie 4 arrival.
November, Echo, Lima, India, Echo, then Flossie 4, right turn, United 120 heavy.
And United 120, fuel dumping is approved, and I'll work on forwarding that information for you.
Fuel dumping is approved. We'd also like to request 15,000 feet to help us burn more fuel and reduce that dump amount.
United 120, descend and maintain flight level 240.
Descend, maintain flight level 240 at this time, United 120.
Attention all aircraft, fuel dumping in progress over 65 miles east of Boston. At flight level 310, descending flight level 240. And United 120.
United 120, go ahead.
United 120, descend and maintain 17,000. Boston altimeter is 3001.
17,000, 3001, United 120.
United 120, will you need emergency equipment standing by on landing?
United 120, stand by 1 second. Affirmative, United 120. United 120, just for your heads up, because we are doing a reduced flap landing, we're expecting a fairly high approach speed. Our rev should be about 167 knots, with the final approach speed being about 172.
United 120, contact Boston Center 133.42, good night.
13342, United 120. Boston, United 120, emergency aircraft 180, descending 17,000 with a 3001 meter.
United 120, Boston, I'll get you lower shortly.
And Boston, we are in fact dumping fuel at this time. We may need a hold at Nelly to complete that. We'll advise you if that's necessary.
Yeah, that's fine. I can also just vector you around if you'd like.
That'll work also, United 120, thank you.
How much time do you need to kill?
About 30 minutes at the moment, United 120.
Thanks.
Sentinel aircraft. Fuel dumping in progress over Boston at 17,000, westbound 767.